Alright everyone, welcome back to Renovation Education. Today's project, we're going to be talking about installing a new shower head. So stay tuned and let's get to it. Alright everyone, so like I said, we're going to be installing a new shower head today. This is a very simple project that anyone should be able to do at home with their common toolkit that you can get just about anywhere. And as far as time, this project should take you no more than 5 to 10 minutes. It's very quick, easy. So all you really need to do this project is a pair of slip joint pliers, Teflon tape, and a rag. I do have a pair of slip lock pliers, which is rubber here, and the main purpose for this is when you're tightening something with this bronze or this brushed bronze finish, if you just use a pair of pliers and grab, it'll scratch. So you could wrap up your rags like this, or if you have a pair of slip lock pliers, just slip it on like this, tighten, and then this is how you effectively tighten it by twisting without giving a scratched look. And another quick tip on these, you want to make sure you have these rubber gaskets inside here before you get started. If you put this on without that, you're gonna have water squirting everywhere. So let's start by putting on some Teflon tape. Now you want to make sure you go the opposite way the threads, so this will go ahead and grab as you tighten. Now the reason you put on Teflon tape is to help give your threads a better seal. You want to keep it flat on there too. I just like to go around about twice, 2 to 3 times. Good. You want to do that anywhere you see threads exposed, like right in here. Alright, that should do it for down here. Let's go ahead and start putting this on. Okay, so here's the old shower head. I'm going to keep this one, so I want to save it and not scratch it all up, so let's go ahead and remove it. Slide it over. Tighten. And remove it. We're going to go ahead and clean off all the old Teflon tape too. Okay, and like everything else, we're going to put 2 to 3 layers of Teflon tape on. You could also use pipe dope. If you have that too, that'll work. I prefer Teflon tape. And do it in clockwise. So when you tighten it, it'll go ahead and grab it instead of taking it all off. Alright, so here's the new one. You could also use adjustable pliers on this. This is plastic, this part right here, so it's not gonna scratch like the brushed bronze would. So let's go ahead and grab our pliers here. Help if I go the right way. Now, since this is plastic, you want to make sure to not over tighten this. Alright. Then you can come back with a screwdriver or something if you really are critical about not seeing your Teflon tape. Alright, let's go ahead and put on this bottom cap. Most shower heads aren't like this, but this is one of those removable ones that my grandmother wanted, so. Just want to make sure everything's nice and snug. All right, good to go. Now when we're gonna run it, we want to check all of our joints for any leaks that we could have. So let's go ahead and give it a test. Looks good. I don't see any water coming out. All right, looks good. Let's go back down in the shop. All right, everyone, I hope you liked today's video on renovation education of installing a new shower head. Very simple, easy project. Shouldn't take you more than 5-10 minutes. And any handyman little kit you put together should be able to do this project, as long as you have Teflon tape or some kind of pipe dough. So I hope you subscribe to the channel, because we're having a lot more videos coming out here. Hopefully, I'm gonna say 1 a week. And give this video a like and comment down below of other things you'd like to see, that other small projects that I can do and I could show everyone how to do them. Common household, I know I got drywall patching coming up. I have other videos too planned, and maybe some tool reviews also. We'll see. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time on Renovation Education.